Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel mga kalangga. I hope you guys are having a great day today. My name is Cynthine and today's video I'm going to share with you my creamy macaroni soup recipe perfect for Christmas season. So guys, if you are interested, just keep on watching. And without further ado, let's get started! I'm going to prepare my meat. You can use chicken breast. If you don't like chicken, you can use pork as your option. So first, pakukuluan muna natin siya para mas maging malambot ang ating meat. Mamaya hindi na natin kailangan iluto dahil ihalo na lang natin siya sa ating soup. So, small and thin slices ang size ng ating meat. And I'm going to slice also our vegetable, cabbage and carrots. If you don't like cabbage, you can use celery. Or if you don't like carrots, you can use corn. Or you can skip if you really don't like carrots. As long as magmamatch yung vegetables na pipiliin niyo sa soup na iluluto natin. So I'm going to use white onion here. I like white onion because mas matamis siya. And then hiniwa ko rin ng maliliit yung ating garlic. So magpapakulo na tayo ng ating macaroni. Nilagyan ko ng salt and oil yung ating water. And then, pag nag-boil na, pwede na natin ilagay yung ating macaroni. And then, we will cook this for 10 minutes. And then, kapag luto na, isa-set aside natin. Ilalagay natin siya sa isang malinis na container. And then, magsasaute tayo ng onion and garlic. At kapag naamoy nyo na yung amoy ng onion and garlic sa inyong pagluluto, ready na ito at pwede nang ilagay ang ating meat. So, make sure na maliliit yung sizes ng meat na inyong ilalagay. At dapat luto na siya. And then, carrots. At kapag lumambot din yung carrots, maglagay ng tubig. Yung tubig na ginamit ko dito is yung pinagbabaran kanina ng meat natin. And then I'm going to add 2 chicken cubes and black pepper. So dinamihan ko yung black pepper para mas maging may konting anghang ng konti. And then 2 tablespoons of patis or fish sauce. Then kapag kumulo na, pwede natin ilagay or mix yung ating nilutong macaroni. Isama na din natin yung tubig na pinagdagaan natin. So yung tubig meron na itong salt and oil. So hindi na tayo masyadong maglalagay ng salt. If gusto nyo magdagdag, pwede nyo dagdagan ng konti. So bago nyo tapos yung iluto, tikman nyo na. And then after that, pag kumulo na, pwede na ilagay yung ating milk. So yung ginamit kong milk is full cream milk para mas creamy siya. Ayan na po guys, nakikita nyo na yung kulay. And then, pwede na ilagay yung ating cabbage. So, makulay dahil sa kulay ng cabbage at carrots. And then, naglagay din ako ng sausage. So, hindi ako naglagay ng hotdog, although pwede nyo ilagay yung hotdog. Kasi yung hotdog, nagkakaroon siya ng stain, naging pula yung kulay ng ating macaroni soup. So, nilagay din ko siya ng sausage para hindi na kailangan iluto. Ready to eat na kasi yung sausage. So that's it. Luto na po yung ating creamy macaroni soup. So if you like this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe for more. And let me greet you Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from my family to yours. Thank you for watching mga kalangga.